Hi everyone, I'm Grace, and this is my animal companion Rocky, and we are here to share your STEM challenge for our dogs program. Do you know a dog like mine who loves treats? Rocky sure does, and I want to know how to make him some that are going to be healthy and delicious. All right, let's get started. Phase 1, design your own recipe. Research the different foods dogs like. Find out what is healthy and what is toxic, and come up with your own dog treat ingredients list. We like bananas, peanut butter, and sweet potato, but there are so many ingredients you can use.
Phase 2.
Calculate how many calories are in your recipe. You will need to research this for all the ingredients you choose. Use the quantity, total sum, and number of treats per batch. You can use the chart provided in the instructions. Phase 3. Let's get cooking. Mix your ingredients together. Prepare your mixture and then divide it into the individual treats. You can bake them or let them rest in the fridge if it is a no-bake recipe. Phase 4. How many treats can your dog have? Determine how many treats your doggo can eat in a day. This is very important. And you'll need to make some calculations for this. Treats should not make up more than 10% of your dog's total diet. Check the instructions for more details. Now let's see if your dog likes their new delicious homemade treats. I might even save some for myself. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you next time for another Live It STEM challenge.